Hey YouTube watchers, listeners, Raspberry Pi hackers and such. Here I am out in my garden, and one of the things that I really enjoy about my garden is planting sunflowers, and I love to plant them. This year I planted a whole wide assortment of varieties, but most of the ones you're going to see here are what's known as Russian mammoths. I ordered these seeds, and we're getting to the point where they're finally done. And before I harvest the heads, I wait for them to dry out a little bit more, and I wait for the birds to start to eat them because the seeds just really aren't dry enough yet. And so I wait. I mean, you can see there's still a lot of florets on this one. And one of the things that I really like about sunflowers is the mathematics behind how they grow. If you examine how the order of the seeds grow and how the spirals grow on the heads, it follows the Fibonacci sequence, and which is very closely related to the golden ratio. If you look very closely at them, you can see how the spirals follow a very, very distinct pattern. All you got to do is Google it and learn about Fibonacci sequence in sunflowers, and well, just a Fibonacci sequence in nature, you know. There's the rest of the vegetable garden, but we've got some tomatoes left to be picked. All the zucchinis and cucumbers and cabbage, that's all finished. A lot of basil left. And we got those sunflowers over there. But like I said, I'll wait for the birds to start to peck at them when I know they're done. Like all of these smaller varieties, the birds have already pretty much gotten to all of these. But the big guys, the big boys, I'll wait till they start to peck at them, and then I'll cut the heads off. Now, again, back to the mathematics behind this, it blows my mind how, if you really look at how the sunflowers seeds populate the head, how they follow the spirals, and if you really, you can look to see that there's a lot of different other examples of in nature how the Fibonacci sequence occurs in nature, and I don't think that's coincidental. So they're pretty cool. I enjoy growing them. I wish I could get bigger ones, you know. I've seen bigger ones than this, but seeds they're still soft. The birds won't eat them yet, see? So they got to dry out a little bit more. I got those over there. Well, anyway, signing off.